Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to download and install Visual C++ in Windows 11 or 10. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Now let's go ahead and see if you actually got Windows C++ in your Windows 11 10 PC. So to do so, go to your search here and then type in appwiz.cpl. And then click into appwiz.cpl. And now go ahead and sort by name. I'm going to sort from Z down. So as you can see, I've got Microsoft C++ installed on my PC. Alright guys, if you don't have Microsoft Visual C++, to go ahead and get it, open up any web browser and then head over to Google. And then you want to type in Microsoft Visual C++ and then click on the first result here from learn.microsoft.com. And if you scroll down here, you've got the latest Microsoft Visual C++ versions. So you got the different type of architecture, you got the ARM 64, 86, etc. And as you can see, the latest version is 14.38.33135.0. Now to find out which architecture or thing to download, you need to go and work out. Now if you're not sure which architecture you have on your PC, you want to go ahead and click on your search bar here and type in system information. So go ahead and click onto system information. And where it says system type, you can see for me it is x64 based. So it's a 64 based PC. So 64-bit, but if it is a 32-bit, 32-bit will be an x86. So now let's come back over here to the download page. So there's the 86-bit, which is a 32, or the 64. But like I said, this is a 64, so I'm going to click on 64 and download that. And now I'm going to quickly go ahead and download this 64-bit. It's up here downloading, so I'll give it a few seconds to download, and then we want to run this program to get Microsoft C++. Alright, I'm going to click onto that. Now it's going to open. I'm going to agree, click on install, click on yes. And then after this has installed on your PC, you want to go ahead and restart your PC for it to take effect. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.